The word legend is an often overused one. But in this case, it almost doesn't do him justice. The winner of the Mobo Impact Award is no other than the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel.
Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News JA. So, Vybz Kartel won his Mobo Impact Award today in the UK. The boss was extremely happy to collect his award. In his speech, he started off by thanking God, then shared all the rough times he had been incarcerated, such as keeping and taking care of his family, fighting Graves' disease, as also fighting to put out good music for his fans. I go play the video now so we can all react to it in the comment section. So this is a great achievement for the boss once more.
The word legend is an often overused one. But in this case, it almost doesn't do him justice. The winner of the Mobo Impact Award is no other than the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, winner. Hold on. Mobo, how you feeling? That's it. You know, first I got to say, God is the greatest. Because think about this. Got locked up, did 13 years in prison. Meanwhile, I'm doing 13 years in prison with Graves' disease. So I'm fighting to be free. I'm fighting my illness. I'm fighting to keep my family together. This is my son right here, Liquor Vybz. I'm fighting to keep the fans pleased with good music. And look how God great. Nominated for a Grammy with an album that I did in prison. Got released from prison. Got engaged to my fiance who was from England. Here, I walk the red carpet at the Mobos. So that, come on! So you know, that taught me to believe in three things more now than ever. Faith, change, and forgiveness. Big up my manager TJ, big up my parents, big up the whole England crew, big up my fiancé, see them. Kiss me, baby! Hold on. I'm big up the Mobo Awards to give me the award. I big up my son. Big up the Queen of Dancehall, Spice. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm big up all of the British stars. All of the rapper them, all of the singer them member one black music. One black origin and one black excellence. What is under me nose? I'm out. Real bad man no muggle in a shot. See a jeans cut off footpath. Everybody have the arms when me get my class. Everybody have the arms when me get my class. The leather